Hi, hello guys, welcome to this channel. This video will show you how to turn your Telegram group into the public groups. So what's the advantage of public group? For the public group, your group will be visible on search, and then the history of your group will be there even if a new member or new person or join after the chat, so they can read the previous chat on the group. So how to doing that? You just open your Telegram and then open your group. Remember that this method is only work if your group is a super group, which is contain at least 200 members. And then after that, you can click these groups, the description of your groups, and then click the pencil on the upper here, over there. And then here you can see there is an option of group type, so I can choose which group type of this group, either it is private or public. So that's it. This very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you did, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.